Welcome to Cakes Factory. I'm your host Sumbal Shazadi. Today we are diving into a delicious debate: wiping cream vs buttercream. Which one was better for cake decoration? Which one tastes better? Which one easiest for baking? Let's find out together. The first one is look and appearance. Let's look it with the first look. Whipped cream gives a soft, fluffy, and light appearance. It's perfect for pastel colors cake and natural food topping. Buttercream, on the other hand, gives you a more polished, vibrant, defined finish, ideal for sharp edges, smooth texture, and rich colors. Great for cracker cake, tide cake, or floral piping. The next is taste and texture. Now for the taste test, whipped cream is light, airy, and not too sweet. Perfect for those who like subtle flavors. Buttercream is rich, creamy, and has a deep but buttery sweetness. It, if you are making a cake for someone who loves indulgence, go with buttercream. For something fresh and light, whipped cream wins. The next is decorating and piping. What about decorating? Decoration. Buttercream is thick and sturdy. It holds sharp butterfly beautifully like flowers, borders, and ruffles. You can even paint or stencil on it. White cream is softer. It's best for light swirl or rustic finishes, but not for heavy detail. Buttercream gives you more creative freedom. The next is storage and stability. Whipped cream is sensitive to heat and need refrigeration. Buttercream is much more stable and especially for event and transport. So for wedding or outdoor parties, buttercream is safer. The next is heat and health and calories. If you are watching your calories, wiped cream has fewer fats and sugars. Buttercream is higher in calories, but it is also more filling, so smaller portions go a long way. The next is which one should you use? Use whipped cream for fresh fruit cake, light birthday cakes, and summer desserts. And use buttercream for wedding cakes, sculpted cakes, cake with detailed piping. Your choice depends on your design, event, and of course, taste preference. And if you like any idea of buttercream or sweet and white cream cake, you can take a screenshot of it and bake that cake on your favorite or coming special event. So, are you team whipped cream or buttercream? Let us know in the comment below. And don't forget to like this video and share to the to your friends, those who want to know about the difference between whipped cream and the buttercream cakes. And subscribe to Cakes Factory for more cake design tips and inspiration every week, every day. Uh, Share your love with others and always take care of yourself, your health. Your health is the first priority of yours. And if you want to take care of yourself and you don't want to go with something creamy, so white cream is much better, but buttercream is safer because it is uh, stable. But according to, if you prefer your health, then whipped cream is much better for health and calories preference. because buttercream is higher in calories and whipped cream is low in calories. So you can go with buttercream when you want to go when you want to something higher in calories. And if you have an issue of fats and sure you don't want to eat more sugar and you have a calories issue, then you go with white